How to create a new account in Voya app and start connection with friends online easily. So on today's video I'll be teaching how to create a new account in Voya. So to create a new account in Voya, is all we need to do is here at Voya right here. All we need to do right now is click on the sign in with Google, or you can sign in with Facebook or TikTok or their mobile number. Right now we can sign with our Google, so I'll see you guys in a few seconds. And now as you can see right now, we just choose right here, we'll just right here, no one's there right here, and we can now click on right there. So it's mail. We're gonna change our age, so let's say 2004, January, then 30, then confirm right there, mail, and then click on start. After clicking on start right there, next thing we need to do right here is right here. There you go. As you can see, we are now right here. We just click on don't allow, then click on extrude that. There you go, X right there. Now here, after doing that, here we have ourselves, we have created our account here. As you can see right there, we have our account right here. There you go. As you can see, hey guys, that's how you do it. So yeah, there you go. That's how you create your account right here on, do all this here on Voya. So there you guys, I hope you guys liked the video, please enjoyed. If you have any more questions or concerns, you know what, you can tap the question below guys. And if you have any like other like Voya, you want like more Voya videos, you can watch it down here on Guide Clips. Anyways guys, there you go, and see you on next one. And there you guys, thank you guys.